You can sync your when-to-work schedule to your outside digital calendars. Go to Change My Information. When2Work offers a Google Calendar export. You'll need a Google Gmail account. They're free. In Google, you'll sign into your account. Once you've confirmed that you're ready, go back to When2Work. Click on Google Calendar. Choose whether your calendar export should include the start and end time, position, description, and category for each shift. Click Export and agree to allow When2Work access to your account. Now you can see your When2Work shifts in your Google Calendar. If you come down to the name of the calendar and click on the 3 dots, you'll see that there are sharing settings. Click here to go ahead and export this calendar to your other calendars. Whenever your manager makes a change to one of your published shifts, that will be updated here on your Google Calendar automatically. But keep in mind that the most accurate information is always in your When2Work login. And any edits you make on the Google Calendar will not be sent back to When2Work. So you'll really want to make sure to always check your When2Work login for the most accurate information. You can also set up your Google Calendar export in the When2Work app. Simply go to the My Info and Settings section and select Sync with Other Calendars. Make sure that you're signed into Google, then check off the fields you would like to include in your export, and click Export.